Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got a quick YouTube video for you. We've ordered some exhaust bits for our GTS. So we went with the Soul Performance exhaust uprated manifolds and the decap pipes. The manifolds have literally been released a couple of weeks. We ordered it quite a while ago and they've just arrived. So we thought we'd do a quick unboxing for you. With the GTS, the exhaust manifolds is quite a poor design in stock form. But what Soul Performance has done with these uprated manifolds, they look really good and they're doing some good figures with them. So we thought we'll just do a quick unboxing. Not too sure which one's which. Right, but so. So we've got the, these are the cat bypass pipes. So all these are your new bolts and stuff, and nice. Got a cloth, a couple of stickers. Okay. I don't know, I don't think we're going to do a full how to install the exhaust bits on the car. I think I just want to get them on. We'll do a couple of like before and after sound clips for you. Right. So lovely. Really nice bit of kit, these. So a few little things about the decap pipes, or cat bypass pipes, however you want to refer to them as. Okay. So, pretty small, but the exhaust on the GTS is such a small exhaust. But basically, a few little things which Soul Performance say with having these on the car. They have actually tested around about 20 wheel horsepower and around about 21 foot-pounds of torque increase purely from just having these. So the performance benefit could be really good. They're meant to be, what was it, 3.7 kilograms lighter as well. So obviously we've got the benefit of the extra performance and the benefit of the lightness of it. They're all T304 stainless steel, and what I understand, they're also all laser cut flanges and stuff as well. So yeah, it could be really excited to get these on. Seen a few videos on YouTube and Instagram of flames coming out of them with just the decap pipes alone. Yeah, these will be used for when we do our track stuff. So obviously it shouldn't really be used. They're mainly meant for track work. But yeah, overall really nice quality product. Really nice, and they look nice in this like flat grey metallic finish. Really nice. And you've got the nice Soul Performance on there, or just the Soul on there. Really nice. But that is that, and then the important manifold. So the manifolds on the GTS are really bad design, so we'll overlay some of the original manifolds now, and you can see they've got a 3 into like one central runner, which runs into the turbo then, so it kind of chokes the airflow on the exhaust. It's not a usual 3 into 1. So the exhaust manifold is on the standard car. It's the same for all the GTS, all the Carrera engines, the 3 litre engines. But I think this is one of the main improvements which we should see up top, with the response up top as well. Right, so right through the packaging. Okay, so exhaust manifolds, gaskets, original ones, that's quite good. So I was actually looking to purchase some of these, but that's good that they come with. So that's the one. Nice. Also got another one of these, same as what we had. And we've also got, so we've got the manifold gaskets, and we've got the gaskets from where the manifold joins onto the turbo, and we've got some new bolts as well. And that's so. These are really nice. These are lovely. These are lovely, really smart. Nice. Yeah, really happy with these. Just the quality on them, like the welds, everything with the Soul Performance exhaust. These are all made in-house at Soul Performance. But the welding is just so nice. But if you see here, we've got the usual 3-into-1 collector, whereas on the OEM exhaust we've got 3 into 1, and then we've got 1 runner then into the turbo. So the exhaust gases are restricted, where this should get rid of this main restriction. There's a few lot of things which we should mention with these. Soul Performance have tested these to produce around about 12 wheel horsepower. They're around about, what are they, 2.5, 2.4 kilograms lighter. So nice little decrease in weight as well, with the benefit of performance. The sound should be nice. I've heard some of these, and the note change of the engine slightly different, a little bit more crisp, and a little bit more of a howl at top as well. Same things with the decats. The flanges are all laser cut again, still stainless steel, shouldn't have any issues with them. Really smart. The diameter on these runners are slightly larger as well. I don't think they're much, but the internal diameter is slightly larger on the runners. Yeah, really nice. But I think what we'll do is, let's get both of them. They just look so nice. So if you think, got those and then. So in terms of even just weight alone, you're looking at around about 6 kilograms reduction in the weight. And again, it's all hanging on the back, so it should help with the performance. Yeah, I thought 6 kilograms is such a small amount, but anything helps, to be honest, with the performance aspect of it. And then if we go by just what Soul Performance have tested, what do they have? They had 20 wheel horsepower on the manifolds, and then 10 or 12, I think I read on the decat. So we're looking around about 30 odd horsepower, 30 odd wheel horsepower increase for just putting these on the car. We're going to test it, so we're going to dyno the car in stock form, put the manifolds on and the decat pipes on, and then retest it with no alterations to the software. So we'll have an exact improvement purely just from a bolt-on perspective. We're going to do some sound testing as well, so we're going to get the decibel meter on and see what it does in terms of a stock GTS. Again, I should mention that the manifolds, I believe they can be fitted to any of the 3 litre twin turbo engines, but the decap pipes or cap bypass pipes, they're only for the Porsche sports exhausts. But yeah, we're gonna do some sound tests, see what it does in terms of sound of a stock car, put the exhaust bits on and then retest it and see what it does. But this is going to comprise of our stage 2 hardware. We've also got a filter. Might as well open the filter now, to be honest. Right. So we've got a filter which is a BMC filter, a very common filter for these engines. I believe a GT3 and GT3 RS actually come with the standard from the factory. So this will be a direct replacement for the original item. It allows a lot of extra flow. In terms of performance, not expecting a huge amount, maybe 3, 4, 5 horsepower increase. But this is a serviceable item now, so every year or probably every 2 years for a GTS with service, you can buy the actual service kits and clean them out and just carry on using it. So yeah, and this should allow a little bit more turbo induction noise from inside the cabin. Slightly freer flowing filter. So yeah, be interested to see how much improvement in actual turbo sound we get from this alone. But yeah, this will be our so basically this will be the Performance Engineering Stage 2 performance package, obviously coupled to our PE software, ECU software. We're going to do a PDK tune on it as well, even though the PDK box is brilliant out of the box. There's a few little things which you can do, but we're going to finish off doing our Stage 1 development, Stage 1 ECU tuning development, and then we're going to get all these hardware on, retest it all, see what it makes by purely just installing this hardware alone, and then we're going to adjust the software to see what we can really get from the engine with the potential of these. So it's really exciting stuff. We've actually got the GTS in today, so I'll show you some stuff. Take a look here. Right. Yeah, we've got the GTS in today, so we thought rude not to show it. But it's only literally just a quick short video, just showing you the exhaust bits that we've got. But yeah, we'll get these bits on and we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.